My name's Elaine and I'm the nutritionist at Community Care Chemist in Belmont. So nutrition is an important aspect of health and well-being, and optimising nutrition can help lower your risk of chronic health diseases. A nutritionist can help set diet and lifestyle goals, assess your intake and your requirements, and help tailor a nutrition plan to help you reach those goals. So I'm originally from Scotland and studied nutrition and dietetics there. I was always interested in all things sort of food science and the health industry, so it was quite a good fit for me. I've worked in clinical dietetics in Scotland. I've had some health promotion roles, and now I'm looking forward to the role at Community Care as nutritionist there. So seeing a nutritionist one-on-one is really important. Nutrition is very personal, and what might be right for your friend or your partner is not necessarily the right path for you. So seeing a qualified nutritionist is really important in setting those goals that are specific to you and reducing those health risks long term. Follow-up is a really important aspect of nutritional consultations. So having someone to come back to ask questions, to follow the progress of where you're at. Sometimes and very often you can plateau in your journey, so whether that's a weight plateau or another goal, it's a really good chance to come back and reconnect with the nutritionist and see what adaptations you can make to the nutrition plan, because life is not necessarily straightforward. There's often bumps in the road or things that can happen, even events that come up, or things that last minute occur in people's lives. So yeah, really good to come back and sort of re-check in with the nutritionist and just change and adapt the plans. Nutritionists don't necessarily have to be seen once you are diagnosed with a condition. The optimizing nutrition can be really beneficial for actually preventing the health conditions in the first place. So if you've got pre-diabetes, or your weight's increasing, or your waist circumference is growing that a little bit, and your clothes are feeling a little bit tighter, that's an ideal time to come in and see a nutritionist to reduce those health risks. Yeah, you can find anything and everything online in nutrition now, with new products and new programs and new diets sort of touted as the next best thing. So it can be really confusing to know where to start. There's lots of articles and podcasts on things like time-restricted eating and calorie deficits and low-fat diets or the ketogenic diet. So it can be very difficult to know what's right for you and where to start. So that's where seeing a qualified nutritionist can be really helpful. Ensuring that the nutritionist that you see is properly qualified is essential, so making sure that they're providing you with evidence-based advice, and that they're across any of the new latest findings in the nutritional field. The nutritional field's sort of ever evolving, and there's always something new, there's always new guidelines, so just really important to be across all of the new advice so that you have the correct information to help your patients. If you do find that you have been jumping from one diet to another, or trying one product and trying another product, or listening to a recommendation from a friend and trying everything and nothing really seems to be working, and that is an ideal time to book in with a qualified nutritionist. They can just help decipher all the information that is out there and just formulate a nutrition plan for yourself, because there's nothing worse than jumping from one diet to another. It can actually have a negative effect on the body, and so seeing a nutritionist and helping you work through that and coming up with a nutritional plan that's suitable for you is a really good idea. Bookings for the nutrition consultations at our Belmont store can be made online at our Community Care Chemist website, over the phone, or in person at any of the Community Care Chemists across Geelong. They're held at our Belmont store on High Street. We have a large consultation room there, so it allows for that privacy and that time for me to assess your nutritional concerns.